this magic before. I got glitter in my brain and there's trash on my floor. Same song has been repeating for 3 or 4 days. I can't pay attention to whatever you're saying. I wanna talk about a movie, but I'm feeling ignored, so I'll cry in my corner and I'll watch it some more. Do you mean I'm too old to be spinning around? How else do you cope with all the treasure you found inside a book, inside a movie, in the science of space? How does your body sit still? Does your mind not start to race?
It's the final countdown. The final countdown. It is your will to survive. 600 lives at stake. It's just one life to take. And when we give in, then our journey's over. No dying early now. Defeat is not allowed. We must live through this day. So fight, fight, fight.
One young wolf has a larger heart than all these men combined. Fight, little wolf, fight. Show them that you've got some fight. Little wolf, fight. Take advantage now and strike. Little wolf, strike. Don't go down without a fight. Little wolf, fight. Little wolf, get up and fight. Oh, maybe I pushed you a bit too hard.
Hey, Toothless. Whatever you say you do. Oh, what? I'm in my house. Oh, you're in my house. My dad know you're here? What? Oh, okay, okay. Dude, no, no. Oh, come on. Okay. Thanks, bud.